depending on what country you are in. Well, this is LaVerne, and I'm from Use What You Got. So we're getting started this morning. We are going to have fun making a couple of pastries. We're going to do an apple fried pie and a potato fried pie. I'm setting my workspace up so you can enjoy. All right. Let me turn this so you can see. All right. Now, all right. First thing we're going to do is work on our potato so that we can have that going. This is so soft. We can do this like this. Okay. Very good. Now, the thing about potatoes, let me say this before we get it started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So now we have that to work with. And we're going to get our cinnamon. We're going to use two different types of sugars, brown sugar, white sugar. A little bit more of that so you can see how it works. Mix it in. I think I'm going to throw in a little bit of allspice because I really do like allspice because it has the other seasonings in it as well. So now all we're going to do is put us an egg in there. We're going to put our milk to add that extra creaminess. We don't want it too wet because of the pastry, okay? Let me make sure the oil is getting right. Okay. And you know what? This is a quick, easy way to do a quick dessert. Okay. See how fast that was? Now, what we need to do is get our pastry ready. All right. Let me get a little bit of flour. I don't want to dash this all over the place. But a little bit of flour here just in case. All right. Just in case. All right. Look at that. Oh, I like that. I think I want it just a tad bit thinner. Perfect, perfect. All right. I think we ready. Now we're going to put one here and one here. We're going to take our pastry knife and cut it. Well, let me see if I want to move this over. All right, where you guys from and how are everybody? How is everybody this morning? I'm going to roll it this way. Now, so we got our first one ready to go. We waiting on the oil. It's almost ready. Okay. Now we finna start on this other one and wrap it. And it's ready for the oil. Okay. Now we got two ready to fry. All right, let me check the oil one more time. think it's just about right. Let's see. It needs to be a little bit hotter. Okay. So, all right. We'll talk a quick minute while all of that's getting hot and see what's going on in your neck of the woods. As Al Roker you say on Good Morning, on the morning show. What's going on in your neck of the woods? All right. So, the next one we're going to do is going to be apples. You won't get to see me fry it up only because we're going to be working on these potatoes. But I love the fried apples more so. But I also like the potato pie only because it's like, seems like fall kind of get your appetite ready for holiday cooking. So what we're going to do, the way we're going to do the apples, I have some already prepped, and I don't mind saying it. I'm using this instead of usually I make mine from scratch. All I do is I take an apple, or usually two, slice them up, put the cinnamon, sugar, and butter, mix them up, stew them down real good, and then I add like whatever. Like if I'm gonna make a homemade crust or a store-bought crust, I'm gonna use puff pastry for that one to this morning. And that's all I do. It's just that simple. Okay, let me get this one ready. I want these to at least cook so I can present them to you guys before we end our show this morning. But these pastries are very easy and very quick, especially if you're having guests and you do want to kind of impress them. You don't want to have to order everything all the time. But anyway, we are looking forward to the holidays. I I turned the phone at a different angle. I can't really tell where my camera at. This a new mode. I don't know if I like it, but I'm trying. All right, and I can't even read the messages. Welcome everybody. Welcome. Uh for visiting the show this morning, please go get you a free planner. It's a great recipes in it. Also, uh, a checklist, and it's different parts of the planner that you will actually like and can use. All right, let me get my gloves, and then we're going to start on the next one. All right, so let's work on the apples, and we're going to call it a morning and look forward to next week. Now, if you have some ideas that you would love to see me explore with you as far as cooking for the holidays, please direct message me, inbox me, whatever they call it now. So that way we can look forward to interacting and engaging more and doing recipes that you might have the items in your cupboard. Okay. It's almost ready, not quite. So let's dive into this. All right. I'm going to have to turn the camera down again. And this one will be a little bit different because this is a pastry sheet. So, all right, I'm trying to work it. All righty. All right, these sheets work a little bit different. Let me put my little mess over here. All right. Let's see what we can come up with here. All right, there we go. I always have to thin it out just a little bit. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to put them and roll them. What are you cooking for Thanksgiving? Y'all have some plans? Well, they slowly getting there. Okay. Now, we're going to take this and put it this way. Now, all we got to do is cut them. I'll seal that in. Seal this in. Seal this. Now, I'm going to tell you something else you can do. You really can get 4. I just happen to make mine pretty large. You really can take these and take one and make smaller petite squares. So now that's going to be ready to fry up. So that'll be all I have to do with those. Okay, any questions? All right. So yeah, we'll take these. Yeah, that'll be ready. Okay, let me check on this one more time because it's not quite ready to lift up so you can see the finished product. Yeah, it's not quite ready. But anyway, what I will do while they're still cooking, and I was thinking we will have more time, I will post it. You can come back in about 45 minutes to an hour. I should have everything ready to uh, post the pictures if you have time. I appreciate you guys taking time this morning to sit in on the live with us as we are counting down to Thanksgiving. And as you can see, you know what I'm going to do with the leftovers of the potatoes? I will probably either fry them down or add another potato and make a potato puff. I actually have some extra dough left, and I'll rework it. So anyway, any questions? I appreciate you guys stopping by. We look forward to seeing you Monday bright and early. If you got a recipe you want to see me cook, drop it in the DM. Let us know. And we will see what we can come up with because we'll have enough time to gather the recipe, study the recipe, and try to deliver your favorite recipe. Now, you guys enjoy your day, and we look forward to seeing you Monday morning, bright and early. All right, you guys, take care of yourself.